We're at this building here in Iowa City. It's pretty tall. And we've got Kone elevators in here. This doesn't look like the typical lobby for a building, but I guess this is Park at 201. I got Kone's. Look, the elevator emergency power thing is up there. And this is the motor room from right here, or at least the controller room. Right here. Interesting, it has rectangular shaped cab lights. I've only seen those square. All right, let's see where we can go. P1, oh, we can go to the top, all right. Oh, it's KSS 600, 670. There we are at the top.
Going down.
Just curious, can we get a view? No. It's a very small building up here. Only 2 units. One.
First floor. Going up.
And